One of the remote islands in Paracas, which are filled with wildlife, is accessible only by boats, so I'm heading there now. And we're here just like magic. Isn't it beautiful? Look, it's just so stunning. And we can see birds in the horizon. It's so beautiful. I have to admit I didn't take as much videos during this trip as I was busy taking loads of photos of the wildlife. I mean, I love nature, and to see birds and loads of other animals is just an amazing experience. So here are some of the photos of the birds that I took. Hey, and guess what? I spotted penguins as well too. I'm not quite sure what they're doing right here in the middle of South America. But yeah, it's always so lovely to see penguins. I love penguins. Oh my god, it's so cute. And here are more nature photos for your viewing pleasure. Hey, and I spotted a lazy sleeping sea lion too. Haha. And I spotted more sea lions. And starfish. As well as clams on the rocks. Oh, hello again, sea lion. So on our way back we were taken to a shipwreck where you see a ton of birds as well as more sea lions. They are just so epic, I love them.